So this is April 14th, 2018. Lovely spring weather we're having here. I mean, check this out. This is ridiculous. All you Elsa lovers, you know, whatever that stupid show is. Do you want to build a snowman? Whatever, because you certainly could right now. Yeah, I mean, this is just insane. And it's coming more and more. And it's not going away. Like, this is just craziness, man. Look at this. It should not look like Christmas out here, okay? Like, no. This is beyond ridiculousness. Like, you can't even see. It's so white, man. Like, just, there is no sky, only white. I don't know. All the cars, I mean, my car's not covered because I just got home, but I mean, this is bad, people. Stay home. I mean, look how thick this is. Look at this. Look. It's like, it's high. It's ridiculous. This is in a day. And it's gonna be like, and I don't know. This is why I don't want to be in Minnesota anymore. I hate winter. Okay? Look how deep my footprint is. I mean, I don't know if you can tell. Like, that's ridiculous, okay? Ridiculous.